thoughts here on Mamdani threatening to arrest Benjamin Netanyahu if he comes to the U.S.?
It's such a tough guy to say that kind of thing. He has no way to do that. Of course, obviously, America's not even part of that corrupt court. And so he's just a clown to even say that. So he won't try that. And I'll just sit down and focus on the problems that they have in New York. That's really not your purview. You and I know that. Sit down. Yeah. The fighter to shut the government down.
Sorry, so this is designated stakeout position.
You guys cannot be here.
Senator.
Oh, they're filming me too. I don't expect that.
Senator,
I can't.
Sure.
John Fetterman. Please, we're trying to do our job here. We're trying to do our job here.
Senator, where are you on the CR plan?
Well, on the CR?
On the CR plan.
I mean, I've been very clear about it. I mean, there's no new news on that.
Are you a yes?
I've already said that. I mean, that's what I'm saying. There's no news. And now you're going to have to make that choice. It's like, are you going to shut the government down? Or are you just going to say, hey, I disagree with many parts about the CR, but it's like that's where we are. I've always expressed my dismay the way the Democratic Party continues to turn their back on Israel. So I've said that publicly, like that's my red line. If Democratic Party becomes official anti-Israel, then that's when I would force me out.
Yeah, and because there was that vote yesterday in the House, a majority of Democrats voted to cut off all aid to Israel. Is that a red line for you?
Yeah, well, it's unsurprising. It's disappointing, but now that's something that I fully expected. Now, that's going to probably accelerate, I think, as after the midterm, and look at the kinds of people that we've elected in the primaries. Not just pro-Palestinian, just intensely anti-Israel.
But is that vote yesterday going to push you out of the Democratic Party, the vote in the House?
Of course, no, that vote's not going to. That was a symbolic thing. But until if they make it official in the platform of the party, then that's a much different situation. But that vote just confirms what I've always seen coming in the Democratic Party for a while. I'm always going to proudly stand with Israel. I think it's fantastic to keep killing Hamas leadership. I think it's fantastic, same for Hezbollah.